Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Action and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go from here to the right corner. By tapping on this icon we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down and stay on the capture settings. Here, as you can see, we have the leveler option, so by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here, and for now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera. And as you can see, it shows us here this line. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture, and this is how it works. And of course, when we don't need this, we go back to this settings, slide again to the capture settings, tap on this button. So for now, this is gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.